Imagine a book written over 1,400 years ago that contains insights aligning with modern science. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what the Quran offers. Today, let's explore some fascinating phenomena where science and scripture meet. The Quran speaks about the origin of the universe, describing it as a single entity that was split apart, an idea remarkably similar to the Big Bang Theory. In Surah Al-Anbiya verse 30, it says, "Do not the disbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them?" Now let's talk about embryology. Long before modern science unraveled the complexities of human development, the Quran described the stages of embryonic growth with uncanny accuracy. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verses 12 to 14, the Quran mentions the transformation from a drop of fluid to a clinging clot, and then to a lump of flesh. This mirrors what science discovered centuries later. And what about the stability of the earth? The Quran refers to mountains as pegs in Surah An-Naba, verses 6 to 7, which helps stabilize the planet. Modern geology supports this, showing how mountains play a crucial role in maintaining the Earth's balance. These are just a few examples where the Quran and science seem to intersect. Whether you see this as divine knowledge or a fascinating coincidence, one thing is clear. The Quran continues to captivate minds, bridging the gap between faith and reason. Want to dive deeper into these topics? Subscribe and join us as we explore more incredible connections between science and the Quran.